I just had a win. Let's go down to Walker's drugstore and each has an ice cream sundae. All day. That sounds good. Let me go freshen up a little bit first. No, just go now. It's a win. Why are you going to question a win? You question a win and you take all the fun right out of it. I'm sorry. Would it kill the whim if I go put on some clean socks? Yeah. It's not a win anymore if you put on clean socks. Alright, I guess I shouldn't complain if I'm getting free ice cream out of it. Can I at least go brush my teeth? I've got potato chip breath. I might see someone I know. No, just use one of our cough drops. But I don't have a cough. You can use those dress nets too. I have been smelling these on your breath all day. They smell nice. Alright, get you one, then get in the squad car.